Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will update you what is the significance behind Akshaya Tritiya, how to worship, what is the Brat Bidhis, and lastly the legend behind this day. It falls on Tritiya Tithi, Shukla Paksha of Vaishakha month. If Akshaya Tritiya falls on 2 days, then the second day is considered. Some pundits say that the second day will be considered only when Tritiya Tithi lasts for more than 3 Muhurat. If the day fall on Monday or Wednesday, then it becomes more auspicious. Let's understand what is the significance behind this day. It is the only one day that has 3 muhurtas, so one can start doing something new. You can even bath in holy Ganga. You can perform Pirtu Shraddha today. For all the details of this puja and all, we can reach out to our priest where and what needs to be done for the Pitru Shraddha. This day is perfect to buy gold. This day also called Akshi or Akhya Tej. It is observed as the spring festival according to the Hindus and Jains. Next, understand how to do the Brat and what are the Pujan Vidhis. People who are fasting on this day should wear yellow clothes. Early in the morning, you need to bath Lord Vishnu with holy water and offer him yellow flower. Light a diya. Make sure you are seated on a yellow cloth or a mat when you worship. Chant Vishnu Chalisha or Vishnu Sahasranam, remembering the Lord and seeking His blessings. Try to help the needy and donate something. You can consume yellow rice, banana, or halwa for those who cannot fast for all day. Lastly, let's understand what is the legend behind this day. The story revolves around the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Sri Krishna. It mentioned the Dwapar Yuga, when Sudama, a poor friend of Lord Krishna who had been suffering for a long time, decided to visit him. If we look back at the history during the adolescent age of Lord Krishna, Sudama used to share his food and spend most of his time with him. To honor his love and care, Sudama wanted to extend his offering to the Lord. Looking at his pious gesture, Sri Krishna showered him with blessings and fortune without letting him know. This way, all the miseries that made Sudama's life difficult ended and he became a wealthy man. This incident took place on Tritiya Tithi, Shukla Paksha of Vaishakha month, and thus observed Akshaya Tritiya. The second legend behind this day is that another story that marks the significance of this day is that Lord Krishna saves Draupadi and the Pandavas from the sage Durvasa as he was supposed to come and visit their ado for a meal. Since they had no food to serve the sage, Lord Krishna helped them. He turned the empty pot into vessels with an endless supply of food. Those vessels were called Akshaya Patra. The third mythology is that on this very day, goddess Ganga descended on the earth to help her ancestor attain moksha. So, all these three things are the mythological legends for Akshaya Tritiya. Hope you like this video and you will follow the pujan and the puja vidhi as suggested. Thank you.